Hey guys, what's going on? I'm here to tell you a little bit about something we just purchased by Under Armour because I really want to get going to the gym more often, and I decided to purchase some clothes that are good for workout and just being out in the cold. And I had an Under Armour shirt for years and years, and it lasted me for so long, and I guess when I moved, I'm not really sure what exactly happened to it, but it used to keep me so warm. I actually used to wear it during skiing and tubing and outdoor activities, and it was absolutely perfect. But unfortunately, I lost it, so I had to purchase a new one, which is fine. That lasted me though for a good 8 years, I would say. Under Armour, if you're not familiar with them, they're great. They make so many wonderful workout clothes, heat gear, cold gear, stuff for working out, and their stuff is usually really cute. Now, while this might not be the most flattering thing in the world, it's warm and I kind of like the print on it, so it's kind of cute, and it's just not long like other shirts, so I think it'll look cute with some leggings. Not that I'm really about the fashionable part of it, but just saying, I think it will look kind of cute, and I'm really happy with it. You could find their clothes online and in sports stores and basically anywhere you could think of. So I don't know if I don't think this is considered a turtleneck, but it does have a neck warmer part to it. So this is Under Armour ColdGear, keeps you warm, loose shirt. Let's see what this says in here. ColdGear fabric traps heat and wicks sweat away to keep you warm, dry, and light. So like I said, perfect for outdoor gear, going outside. This is a woman's. The Under Armour label is right here, universal guarantee of performance, protect this house. Women's, and I guess this is the product number 1325333, and it is a size medium, fits perfect. It's loose fitting in this area, but then the arm fitting is tight, which is good, that you want that tight feel to keep you warm for sure. So I would probably, if I wore this to the gym, I would probably wear just a sports bra underneath. That way it's acceptable to take it off if you're getting hot or whatever the case is. What's the same here? Style 1325333. Same as on here. Made in El Salvador. And then you could tear this away because that would be uncomfortable. You have to cut it off. You can't even tear it with just your hands. So that would be uncomfortable to wear. Okay. This is from UA Sports Malaysia, Central Plaza, Jalan Sultan Ismail, Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia, and then it has the number on here. I'm trying to find, most of their products are polyester and elastic, so I'm going to assume it's polyester. The feel of this is really soft, but it's also thick, so you could tell that it's going to keep you nice and warm. So I live in New York, so I like to do, I didn't go yet, but I like to do the tree every year, the Rockefeller Center Christmas tree. And when you're walking around, although this has been a mild winter so far, I have to say, I do like to dress really warm because I know I'm going to be walking around outside. And I actually plan on going to the city this weekend, and I'm going to be walking around. My friend just moved there, visit her apartment, and this will be perfect to walk around and just be warm in and not have to worry about being freezing cold walking around the city. So I'm going to wear this underneath my jacket, and I know that I'll be fine outdoors, because whenever I went skiing and I had Under Armour pants and shirt underneath my ski bib, I didn't have to keep going inside and warming up. It just kept me nice and warm. I don't know if I just don't see it, but I don't see any care instructions on here. So let me see. I'll tell you, because I do have other Under Armour stuff, and it's the same material. So the way that I care for them is I wash them in cold water on gentle or hand wash cycle in the washing machine, and then I just lay them on the clothing rack to dry. I literally never put them in the dryer because I feel like that's going to ruin it. So don't put this in the dryer. It's a size medium, so you can get annoying the tag, so you could just cut this off. And it's made in El Salvador, ColdGear, and the print on it's cool. It's black and white, simple, but also kind of interesting looking. And then I'm just gonna turn over to the back so you guys could see. So the back is just plain black, and then on the side here you have the Under Armour sign. I love Under Armour. I like it better than Nike even. I think it's a really, really great brand, and at least they're not controversial like Nike lately, right? I don't know why these companies get involved with these controversial things. It's like, you know, it takes business away. It's silly. But I just think they're a better brand, and they're nice and warm, and I think that their stuff is like chic and modern, keeps up with the times. Perfect for all different activities. I know my husband loves their heat gear stuff for when he plays like football outside in the winter and it's cold, so it keeps him nice and warm. So this is an Under Armour shirt for women by Under Armour. I hope you guys found the video useful, and I thank you so much for watching, everybody. Have a good one.